is Quadratics equation, parabolas, and other graph. Exam practice question 10. The width of the rectangle is x centimeters. The length of the diagonal of the rectangle is 12 centimeters. The perimeter of the rectangle is 28 centimeters. We want to find out x. So the first thing I know is the perimeter is 28. So to work out the perimeter, I need my width, which is 2 lots of my x, plus 2 lots of the lengths that I don't know. Now, the first thing I'm going to think about here is I would like to get a common factor of 2 out, so x plus 2 in brackets x plus l. If I divide both sides by 2, I get 14, and that equals x plus l. So that means to find out what length is, length must equal, I take x from both sides, 14 minus x, and that gives me my value. So if I look at my triangle again, I know that my hypotenuse is 12. I know my height is x, and I know my base is 14 take away x. And I can use Pythagoras Theorem now. A squared, 14 minus x, in brackets squared, plus b squared is equal to c squared of 144. Now I just need to expand my brackets. So the first thing I need to think about is I'm going 14 times 14, which is 196. 14 times negative x, which is negative 14x. Negative x times 14, which is negative 14x. And negative x times negative x, which is positive x squared. I've also got x squared, so plus x squared, and I'm going to get the 144 onto this side, so I'll take 144 on both sides and all equals 0. Now I just need to simplify this. So the first thing I'm going to do is got 196, and I'm taking away 144, which equals 52. So the next thing I want you to think about is I've simplified that part, but I've also got negative 14x, take away negative 14x, which equals negative 28x. Plus x squared and x squared is 2x squared. Okay, so now we've got a equation. I just want to rewrite it in ax squared, ax squared plus bx plus c form. So that means I'm also wanting to get the common factor out of 2. So if I divide 2x squared by 2, I get x squared. If I divide negative 28x by 2, I get negative 14x. And if I divide positive 52 by 2, I get 26. Now here we just need to be thinking about working out two numbers that times together to equal 26, but also that add up to negative 14. Now, if we cut, there's always an easier way to do this, which is the quadratic formula. So let's go back to what we originally had, which is 2x squared minus 28x plus 52, and we'll use the quadratic formula for this. Okay, so with the quadratic formula, we've got negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, and we are dividing it by 2a. So to start off, we've got negative b, our b is negative 28, which means it will just be 28. Plus or minus b squared is 784 times, and then we've got negative 4 times a times c, which equals negative 416. And then that whole thing is divided by 2 times a, which is 4. If we solve what's in the square root, that leaves us with 28 plus or minus 19.183 over 4. So if we solve that with the positive and the minus, we get two answers. Because it's looking for three significant figures, it will be 11.7 and it will be 2.25.